With the growth of technology came the opportunity for online instruction. With the use of online tools, instructors and learners are allowed to take advantage of learning opportunities outside of the classroom. Through years of online learning, a discrepancy of cultural dimension has created problematic but solvable issues in this field. Information is received by the students based off of the way they were taught. Through years of research, it has been found that without careful thought of other cultures, the content or design of an online course can negatively affect student outcomes. In this video, we will quickly explore 3 ways educators deal with the different cultural dimensions. According to the Hofstede Center, an online course site designed in mind to explain cultural dimensions, Professor Hofstede identifies 3 significant points which we have used to explain cultural dimensions through online learning. The first is Power Distance Index. It refers to the relationship between the instructor and learner in terms of hierarchy. As an example, in China, the custom is that the instructors are superior to students, and in that sense, the students typically don't ask for help or collaborate with the instructor. Whereas in America, instructors are encouraged to be seen as a respected peer that the students are allowed to collaborate with. This may be problematic when an online course is designed for students to interact with the instructor, and Chinese students are lost because they usually collaborate amongst themselves. The second is individualism. It explains that some end users or students will be self-reliant on learning and comprehension. As an example, in the United States, students are more akin to work alone than to interact in a synchronous environment. Contrast to that, in China, students are group work oriented and will work together to understand a topic. Because of this, they may be hesitant to participate in online discussions that require any real-time interaction. This occurs especially when international students are used to asynchronous learning, such as using emails or messages to communicate. The last is Uncertainty Avoidance Index. It is the tolerance for ambiguity or how structured students need the class to be. In China, students are learning at their own pace as long as assignments are in on time, compared to other countries that require strict attention to participation and workflow. This can be problematic for students that are used to learning a certain way and fail because they are not accustomed to working with a new educational process. In conclusion, cultural dimensions are overlooked, but with the rapid growth of online learning, instructors should acknowledge who their audience is. This way, instructors or instructional designers can make online learning more effective for students.